Yeah, no, it's good. It's, a bunch of Free State guys getting to see snow and playing with snow is always fun. So, no, travel was good. And yeah, I think the guys are excited. We're gonna go to indoor facility now for a light jog through and all of that. So, yeah, everything's going well.
You spoke now about having trained, and Louis as well spoke about having trained and what you worked on in training in the last 2 weeks. But can training prepare you properly? I mean, these other guys have played matches in the last 2 weeks, so they played in the URC, so they got proper match fitness. How difficult or challenging is it for the Cheetahs to play a couple of games, then have a break and train, and then come back and play against a team that's in form?
Yeah, I think definitely it would be nice being in a competition week in, week out, playing tough games. But I'm not gonna use it as an excuse. We've got opportunity, a massive opportunity to show what we can do, and we need to be better than the previous two. I mean, all the teams we're playing in this pool. I mean, Exeter is third in the UK in the Prem. Stade Francais is third in the top 14, and then this weekend Ulster is third in the URC. So. Um, with the previous two games, I felt like they were great stuff, but then end up costing, we end up getting ourselves into trouble with our mistakes. So if we can sort that out, I really think we've got good players, we've got a great squad, and we must just not wait for something to happen. We must go and make it happen. So hopefully we can put out a good performance on Sunday.
Yeah. Louis, from a player's perspective, I mean, I know that you can watch the videos and stuff all the time, but one player that you will know very well is Werner Kok. And I know you don't prepare for individual players, but we're now in a situation where you're going to play against South Africans all the time. What do you guys expect from Ulster from a player's perspective?
Yeah, so obviously we try and analyze the whole team. Like you said, we don't focus on individual players. We did that in the past, and then they send a different team. So it's difficult. You try and pinpoint areas, and then they choose a different squad. So they might not even play Werner, but you've been practicing on what he is doing. So it's difficult to pinpoint players. We'll most probably just have a wider look on their game plan and what they do. So from a player's point of view, that's individual stuff. So the wings have to check their wings, and the front row will obviously check the scrums, and so it's difficult to, like you said, to just focus on one player.
Yeah. Last one for me, Franz. In this game, I mean, we've spoken about the conditions and what you expect. In these conditions, accuracy, being clinical, and you spoke about the mistakes that made in the last two rounds. How much work have been put in getting the guys to be clinical in their execution and playing the right part of the game?
Yeah, look, I think the biggest thing is getting everybody on the same page. Like said earlier, it's we come out of a hot summer where it's easy to throw the ball around in Bloemfontein at the moment. But I mean, getting everybody on the same page and into that box, I think what is the most difficult thing. But I think the last training we had in Bloem, I think everybody was on the same page and it looked good. It's just now to go and execute it on the field, and I think it's more of a mental thing at this stage. And look, we finished everything in South Africa. There's no defensive session that we need to have. There's no attacking session that we need to have. It's about sharpening the pencil at the moment. So um, I don't know what's going to happen. We have to wait and see till Sunday. I think everybody did their part.
Thanks very much. Bye, Don Kimana.
Okay.